been a while since I've taken a trip out west, and I've never been backpacking, so this is my first time. After the worst Uber ride, I finally made it to Seattle, and we went and explored Betsy's neighborhood. After that, we went and got things packed while we waited for Mike to get off work. We finally took off to the Okanagan-Wenatchee National Forest to do the Hope, Mig, and Josephine Lakes via the PCT Trail. It says 10.4 miles, but I clocked somewhere around 12. This was unlike anything I'd ever seen before. The water was so blue and so clear. It was amazing. The hike up here definitely pushed me, but it was worth it. Sometimes you just have to remind yourself that you can do hard things. See, I'm from Ohio, and we just don't have that kind of elevation gain there. I'm still kicking myself in the ass for not jumping in the water, but there's always next time, right? Anyway, it's time to sit down and relax and make some dinner. My first night, I had spaghetti and meat sauce, which is one of my favorites. But the second night, we all three had some variation of chicken Alfredo, and they were all three pretty good. It was so quiet here, watching the sun come up over the mountains, seeing the reflections of it all in the water that was so still that it looked like glass. Just thinking to myself, all the hell that I went through to get here, and I'm not talking about the hike up, it was worth it.
We were standing